friends, today we are going to discuss about the mail merge feature of Microsoft Word, which is used for sending letter or applications to multiple recipients. With the help of this feature, you can send one letter to multiple recipients. It is one of the best features of Microsoft Word. It involves two types of files, document file as well as data file. So we are going to demonstrate you that how we can complete this particular task with the help of computer. We have to switch over to computer. Click on start button, then all programs, Microsoft Office, Microsoft Word 2007, then click on mailings, select the option start mail merge. It is having letters, email messages, envelope, labels, directory, normal Word document, step-by-step mail merge wizard. In this demonstration we are going to use step-by-step mail merge wizard. So I'm going to click on it. It will open a right side pane. In this particular pane, it is showing that you have to select the document type. What type of document are you working on? That is letter, email messages, envelopes, labels, directories. So here I'm going to select this letter. Then I have to switch over to the next step by clicking on the step next document, starting document. As a second step, you have to select the starting document. Where is your document? I'm currently using a current document. Moving to third step, it's the place where we have to select the recipients. Now if you have an existing list, then you can browse that list, or you can directly click over to Lookout contacts. You can select your contacts through Outlook Express, or you can directly go for new list. You have to type this particular list. So right now I'm going with the third option. Type a new list. Now here I will click over this option, that is create new recipient list. In this particular option we have a facility to customize columns because they have a number of columns here. So it is good to reduce or increase the number of columns as per your requirement. So I'm going to customize this particular column. I've clicked over the customize columns. This particular window gets appeared on the screen. Now it is having all the field names which this particular address list by default have. If you want to add, then you can go for add, or if you want to remove, then you can go for the delete. Simply select the option field name and go for delete. So I'm going to remove these particular fields because I do not want to include so much of data in my presentation. So I have deleted them. It will ask for whether you want to delete or not. So I'm removing these particular extra fields from my data. Address line 2, I've deleted them. After this, if you want to move these particular fields up and down, then you have the buttons move up and move down. You can use them, or you can rename these particular columns also, like address line 1. I'm going to rename it as address only. So I've clicked over and changed the name address. It becomes address instead of address line 1. Now after this, click over OK push button. You will again come back on the previous dialog box, that is address new address list box. Here you have to type the records. For example, Mr. Anil Singh Anil as the first name, then Singh last name, company SCL, address suppose that 99 Pitampura, city and Delhi, New Delhi, state again New Delhi, pin code. These are the fake datas which I am right now using. Anjana, you can go with your original data. So by this way you can enter your data as much as you can. I'm simply using 2 records right now just for the sake of demonstration. Now you can save your file here as address, give the name to the file. After this you will be available at the mail merge recipients dialog box. Here you have to select the number of records which you have. There is a last record which is by default checked. I'll going to uncheck this because it will generate one extra letter if this got selected. Then after this go for OK, and now type your letter. For example, dear sir, this is to inform you that I have a dinner. I have organized a dinner party at my residence on 31st December 2016. So you are cordially invited with your family with best regards, XYZ. After typing this, you have to insert your address list here at the top. Simply go for the next step, move to third step, and here you will have your address book, address block, that is write your letter, under write your letter, address block. Insert this particular address block here. Go for, you have a various types of options here, styles. You can, whatever style you want, you can simply select them. Okay, after this go for OK. I'm going to highlight this so that it appears separately. After this you can go for next step, and here it is showing a preview of your address. You can see these previews by clicking recipient 1 or recipient 2 by moving up and down. previous as well as next buttons. After this, move to the fifth step. This is the last step, this sixth step, sorry. Here you can merge, either directly merge these particular files, data file as well as the document file over the printer, or you can directly create a new file, that is document file, by clicking over this edit individual letter option. I'm going to select this option. It will display a dialog box that is merged to new document. You have to select the number of records. Here you can specify records. Right now I am selecting all, so I have clicked over OK push button, and now these are the letters. Two letters, and the new file gets a label as letter 1. Okay, so by this way you can complete your mail merge. Friends, if you like this information, then please share, subscribe and like our videos as well as channel. We will be grateful to you. Thank you.